Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm looking at the MX Mechanical keyboard with Clicky keys from Logitech. I've had this for the last couple days. This is what's known as the Logitech Bolt. It's the wireless adapter for your PC or Mac, or this also has Bluetooth mode, and we'll get to that in just a moment. It's super easy to set up. I want to show you that it's the Clicky version. They have three different types: Clicky, tactile, and linear. And they also have a whole new range of smaller MX Mechanical keyboards for the Mac, but you'll see that in a future unboxing. So inside they show you the quick, easy setup. It's 1, 2, 3. So you turn it on, and that is right here. This is the on button. This is also right here. It's a switch. And this is where you also charge the keyboard. And you can actually look inside. The Clicky blue tactile keys are underneath. See? So each one has one. And we'll get to how it sounds in just a moment. But it's simple as 1, 2, 3 setup. And you can have up to 3 devices connected via wireless right here. So let's say a computer, laptop, and a phone. And I happen to have an iPhone right here. This keyboard is on, and you can tell that it's on by it being ready to connect. And we'll go ahead and turn on Bluetooth mode right there, and there it is, MX Mechanical, and it is ready to connect. So you can connect a phone to this. You can connect all kinds of devices with this one. So see, it's ready to go. Tap here, and then we put in the code, which always changes, so it doesn't matter. Okay, and that screen will go away in just a second, and there we go. And now it's all lit up. These are backlit keys, and as you can see, you have all these functions up here to change the backlighting on your keyboard, on the screen that you're working with, access the emoji keyboard, do a mute. You could do rewind, play, fast forward, another mute option, increase the volume. There's so many different things on here. And it also activates just when you start moving the keyboard. So everything will light up, and it all depends on what the lighting is in the room. But now it's connected even to this iPhone running iOS 16 right there. And it comes with a cable so you can charge right there. It's a weighty keyboard. What I like about this, it has these flip out feet right here, so you can have it flat or flip them out. It is definitely solid. I like that it has Bluetooth, but then it also has this bolt, is what they call it right here, so you can use this anytime. This is the Logitech MX Mechanical keyboard. Comes in this nice eco-friendly box. This is the Clicky version right there. They have tactile and linear. And you can get all 3 of these now from Logitech. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up. And if you get a little bit closer, you can hear what the Clicky sounds like. The others are definitely quieter. And I've noticed that my typing has gotten a lot faster with just the swap out of this keyboard.